Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing the Honor Band 6 and giving you its complete review. With that said, here's the box. In India, Honor has launched the Honor Band 6 at 4000 rupees. As an introductory price, you can get it at 3000 rupees starting from October 3rd to October 10th on sites like Amazon and FLIPKART. If you have the Amazon Prime account or the FLIPKART Plus account, you can also get them at 3000 rupees on October 2nd. If you're interested, links for that are in the description, do check it out. Now with that said, the main highlights for this particular fitness band would be its bigger display, long battery life, and the overall health management system. I'll talk more about that later. Before that, let's unbox it. Here's the box. On the front, we have a quick preview of how the band looks like. It looks pretty cool. Especially the display looks much bigger than the other fitness bands. On the backside, we have all the highlighting features like the bigger AMOLED display, 24/7 heart rate monitoring, and so on. We'll come back to that later. Now let's unbox it. First we have the band itself, next we have the charging cable, and finally some documentation. Let me just put that aside and come back to the band 6. Now first let's have a physical overview. On the front, this fitness band has just a bigger 1.47-inch AMOLED color screen display, and that's pretty much it. Bezels are also pretty decent, especially considering the price and the competition. On the right side, it has just got a single button with red accent color. On the left side, it has the Honor branding. On the back side, we have some sensors, charging pins, and some branding information. Now these are the straps. They are made of soft silicone, and they have the Honor branding on its loop. Now here's the charging dock. It has a magnetic mechanism, so you just need to bring it close to the charging pins and it immediately locks onto the watch and starts charging. This magnetic mechanism for the charging pins is something I really appreciate about this particular Honor band. Most of the other fitness trackers in this price segment have a pretty basic charging mechanism, which isn't that convenient to use. Anyway, this is how the Honor band looks on hand. Now when it comes to the pairing process of this fitness band, it's pretty simple. First you need to install the Honor's health app on your phone. For that you can just scan the QR code on the box and it will open the link to download the app. Now once you're done downloading the app, just open it up, log in or register, and then you'll get this interface. Now go to the device section and tap on the Honor Band 6 to start the pairing process. Just go on with the flow and you will be done with the pairing process. Now here's the watch in close-up after pairing it up. Now let me just give you a quick walk around of the user interface. Now right out of the box, we have the starting or the default watch face. You can just do a swipe up gesture to check out the notifications. Now these are all the notifications and you can just tap on any one of them to check out the complete notifications. For SMS, once again you can just tap on it to read the complete SMS. Now back to the watch face. Now you can do a swipe down gesture for more options or for some toggles. Over here we have the status bar with the Bluetooth, battery and date information. Following that are some toggles for screen on time, do not disturb mode for the watch, alarm for the watch, and we also have the feature to find the phone. You just need to click the find phone option on your watch to track your phone. I have particularly tested this feature and it works really well. Following that, we also have a quick shortcut for the settings. From display settings, we can change the watch faces, you can set some favorites, change the display brightness, and also we can change the sleep time and the screen time of the display. Following that, we can also change the intensity of the vibration, tweak settings related to do not disturb mode. We also have workout settings, and we can also do stuff like restarting the watch, resetting the watch, and to completely turn off the watch. By the way, you can also do a long press of the button on the right side to power off or restart the watch. And now finally, this is the about section. Now back to the home screen, you can do a swipe left or right gesture to quickly switch between different applications. We can check out different activity stats like number of steps taken, heart rate monitoring. You also have toggles for music controls, weather information, and even stress monitoring. Now once you're done with that, you can just press the button on the right side to check out all the applications that are accessible on the watch. Now from these list of applications, you can select any one of these applications, and if you want to go back a step, you can swipe from the left side and it takes you back a single step. So guys, that was the overall user interface of the watch itself. Now these are the complete specifications of the Honor Band 6. It has a 1.47-inch AMOLED color screen. It weighs about 29 grams along with the strap. It is powered by a 180 mAh lithium polymer battery and has a standby time of up to 14 days. It's got the SpO2 tracker, heart monitor, sleep monitor, stress monitor, and it also got the step tracker as well. And these are some more specs related to the Honor Band 6. Now, as for the review, I'll start off with the design and build. In terms of design and build, Honor Band 6 is definitely one of the best looking fitness trackers in this price segment, especially when compared to the competition. It's pretty lightweight, weighs about 29 grams. The smartwatch itself without the strap weighs about 18 grams. It feels pretty light in hand. Once you put it onto the hand, it feels pretty lightweight and it's pretty comfortable. These straps have a pretty plain and simple design, and they are definitely made of good quality material. This fitness band also has water resistance up to 5 atm, so small splashes and sweat won't be a problem, and you can definitely wear it for workouts in a gym, or you can even wear it when you go on a small run. The charging mechanism, which I've talked already, is very well implemented, especially that magnetic mechanism makes the life much more easy. This fitness band has just a single button on the right side. It is sufficiently elevated and also has a nice clicky feel to it. It is slightly on the harder side, but considering this is a smartwatch, I don't think it's really a big deal. Now when it comes to the display, it has a 1.47-inch AMOLED colored display, which I think is the biggest display that you can find in a fitness tracker in this price segment. Display is pretty good, colors are pretty good, and the text is also pretty sharp. Brightness levels are also pretty good. It has up to 5 levels, and the sunlight legibility is also pretty good. There is no auto brightness feature and there is no always on display feature as well, but we do have the raise to wake feature, which works pretty well. Now when it comes to connectivity, I really didn't have any issues with that. When the phone is nearby, the watch is always connected to the phone. You can immediately notice any notifications that you get on your watch at the same time when you get on your phone. Even when you get a call on your phone, you can check out the contact number on your watch. That just means that the connectivity is always there and there's no problem with that. Now the major functionality for anyone to buy this fitness tracker is obviously to track. So when it comes to tracking, whether it's the steps, sleep tracking, SpO2 tracker or the heart rate sensor, everything works pretty well. I've actually compared the step tracking with other fitness bands, and I must say Honor Band 6 is actually much more accurate than other fitness trackers in this price segment. It is really not 100% accurate, but comparatively it is much better than other products in this price segment. We also got sleep tracking, which is pretty accurate with sleeping and wake up timing. It also gives some extra points about the quality of the sleep. You can get more information about that from the health app. Now here's a quick look at the app interface on your phone. We have different sections and you can literally see all the information from your watch directly on your phone. Now your watch is only capable of storing information just for a few days. So as it is connected to your phone, it automatically updates your information to the health app. And with the use of this health app, you can monitor your information throughout the weeks and days. And all the settings related to your watch can also be changed directly on the health app, which is another nice thing. With that said, here's a quick overview of the entire health app. Now finally, when it comes to the battery department, Honor Band 6 actually comes with a 180 mAh battery and it has a standby time up to 14 days. And for normal usage, it can last easily up to 2 to 3 days depending upon your usage. If you get a lot of notifications and you turned on features like heart rate monitoring 24/7, then the battery life would be slightly reduced. As for my personal experience, on average I got about 2 days of battery life with all the features turned on. So overall, battery life is also pretty good. So guys, this is the Honor Band 6. When compared to other fitness trackers in this price segment, the main highlights for this particular product would be its bigger AMOLED display, bigger battery, and the overall software interface itself. Well, yes, there are many other products out there much cheaper than the Honor Band 6, but you don't get a complete package like the Band 6. It looks pretty cool, it has a bigger display, you can actually use it like a watch, and it does the tracking, which is the most important aspect, pretty well. So guys, if you're looking to buy a good looking fitness tracker around 4,000 rupees, I can definitely recommend you the Honor Band 6. If you buy it before October 10th, you can get it at a discounted price of 3,000 rupees as well. So guys, what do you think about this particular product? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you're planning to buy the Honor Band 6, link for that is in the description. Do check it out. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.